how to make a character definition in Character AI. So let's get started with it. So for that, what you need to do is simply open up your browser and type in character.ai, and this interface will appear in your screen. So what you need to do is simply tap on the create option at the left side of the screen and tap on character and start creating a new character. So here you can see how you can create a new character. You can see the character name. You can put in whatever name you want to name your character. And then there you can see the profile option. You can keep a profile picture for your character, and you can keep tagline on your character. After that, there is an option of description of your character. You can define however you want your character to describe. You can simply write the vibe of your character, what kind of character it is, and its characteristics. After that, under there you can see the greetings voice option. You can just write in the greetings and add the voice, and then tap on create the character, and your character will be created with a character definition in it. So in this way you can make a character definition in character.ai. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.